Welcome to the Revit Template and Schedule Creation course. At IMAGINiT Technologies, we offer online courses that introduce each trainee to the essentials needed to help launch them into the world of Revit modeling. With the completion of our BIM management courses, clients have the opportunity to obtain knowledge of the tools, methods, and processes needed to confidently use the software in a typical workday. The objective of the Revit Template and Schedule Creation course is to guide each student, enabling them to work together with software and expand their knowledge in creating customization within the Revit software for templates and schedule creation tools. Completion of the first day will enable students to create custom templates with annotation styles, create title blocks and custom element types, set up view filters, add view templates, and create schedules including material takeoff schedules with formulas. IMAGINiT's live online courses are interactive with an in-person instructor who walks students through the different topics discussed throughout the class to help each student familiarize themselves with routine tools that they will require in their daily workflow. Each attendee will access Revit through our unique online lab and work through practical exercises developed to assist each trainee in gaining a thorough understanding of the software. Topics and exercises have been developed through our team at Ascent to help students create project templates, create standard text and dimension types for use in their projects, create and modify schedules to quantify all aspects of the model. Each student will discover how to work with Revit templates and creating custom project template files to begin each new project with your company's standards and needs, utilize resource projects to store additional system family types, details, schedules, and other data, create standard and custom text and dimension styles and types used for future projects, modify various callout, elevation, and section tags to specify which tags are loaded into the project template, create corporate title blocks including detail lines, text, labels, symbols, regions, and revision schedules, set up visibility graphic overrides for various types of categories of element graphic changes, create and apply template changes to automatically set visual changes for each view. Within schedule creation, learn to create building component schedules to quantify all aspects of the model, customize schedule tables using filters, sorting and grouping, formatting, and appearance tools. Modify the appearance and content of individual schedule cells. Create key style schedules by defining key elements with similar characteristics. Create material takeoff schedules to quantify all physical materials within the physical model of the 3D Revit project. Apply conditional formatting to fields within the schedule. Embed schedules in an existing room and space style schedule. Finally, we will create additional parameters including calculated value fields and percentage fields. Each day of class, our well-experienced and knowledgeable instructors take students through how Revit functions, implementing designs while giving employees the confidence and to transition into the software in order to fulfill their daily work needs, alleviating the fears that come with transitioning into new software and new tools, assisting Revit modelers in tackling the daily obstacles and helping them move forward through working with problems, experience through the software, and effectively and more quickly doing their tasks. Upon completion of our course, technicians, designers, and managers alike each will gain the confidence to create a new project and open an existing model, navigating seamlessly while easily moving through the various areas of the drawing in order to design, set up, and manage a project with much more ease, cutting down the time companies spend on tackling the burdensome tasks of onboarding new employees and understanding how new software can be used to implement into your daily workflow. IMAGINiT's Revit Template and Schedule Creation course equips students with the capabilities they need to move forward in today's technologically changing environment, familiarizing themselves with the latest and greatest in three-dimensional modeling software.